Every modular build I've made on this channel started on an Uno, but at some point you outgrow it. And if you upgrade too early, you waste money. But if you upgrade too late, you hit a wall you can't build your way out of. Today, I'm showing you exactly where that line is. These two boards look like they do the exact same job, but they're built for entirely different worlds. One is made for wiring simple logic, while the other packs a full sensor suite and a wireless radio into a tiny footprint. If you pick the wrong one, you're either fighting for pins you do not have, or lugging around power you'll never use. On the left, we have the Nano 33 BLE Sense, which is a third the size of the Uno. And on the right, we have the standard Arduino Uno. The Nano is way smaller than the Uno, which matters the moment your build needs to move, instead of just sitting on a desk. But the bigger difference is what's inside. The Uno is a straightforward processor, great for reading a sensor and driving a motor. On the other hand, the Nano 33 BLE Sense has a much more powerful chip with extra onboard sensors, which is why it's the board people reach for whenever they want to get into machine learning on a small device. Complicated tasks like recognizing gestures, sounds, or motion patterns without needing a computer attached. Everything I've built on this channel so far, the drivetrain, the obstacle sensing, the navigation, runs perfectly on an Uno. But that's because it's all straightforward. Reading a sensor, make a decision, move a motor. But the moment you want a project that learns patterns, like recognizing a voice command, you're in Nano territory. That's not a small logic upgrade. That's a completely different category of project. So here's the ultimate rule. Start on the Uno. Always. It's cheaper and almost everything you'll build in your first year doesn't need anything more than that. Reach for the Nano the moment your idea involves recognizing patterns, instead of just reacting to a sensor. Which one are you building on right now? Let me know in the comments and I'll help you figure out if it's time to upgrade.